Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with Tech Vision, and Tech Vision is beginning formal training for everyone starting this fall. And you can sign up for that registration. That registration information will be coming out at the start of someplace in July and August. We're fine-tuning it right now. Credits will also be offered for that class. However, before we begin, we were thinking, because it's been such just the outpour of people who want to do this, we thought, well, let's start early. Let's go ahead and just give a free lesson June 22nd at 10 Eastern Standard Time. And the requirements are going to be, you need to at least know your keyboard. You need to know your modifier keys, which are Control and Alt and Applications key and whatnot. So the first 100 that sign up are going to get these free lessons. So here is what you need to do. You need to email your email information that we are going to connect to using Zoom conferencing. It is free. Sign up for your account now. So whatever email you send us, we will be sending the contact information to that email. And the Zoom information will be in there. All you have to do is click on the link and you will join in on the lesson automatically. We'll take you through the commands. The next thing is the email addresses you need to send this information to. First one is techvisiontraining@yourtechvision.com, because this is your tech. This is your training. Whatever you request, we teach. We teach students around the country every single day, and they determine what they learn that day. So here's the emails. techvisiontraining@yourtechvision.com, and also you can send it to me, Denise M. Robinson @yourtechvision.com, DENISEM ROBINSON @yourtechvision.com. So send those emails today, the first 100. Go ahead and get to have a nice, great free lesson. We'll start at the beginning and start those wonderful basic skills, get your computer tuned up and really ready to go. Okay, so remember, June 22nd at 10 Eastern Standard Time is going to be a free lesson for anyone who gets the information into us first, and then we'll get the registration information out for ongoing lessons. And we will do this as long as we need to do that. We're talking years. So the first registration is for a full year of lessons. We'll, of course, have audio recordings with that too. Okay, so get your email in today if you would like that technology instruction, because if you want a job and to be able to compete with everybody else in the world, you must know that computer inside and out. You need to know Microsoft Office. You need to know how to work in the cloud, and a whole lot more. Smartphones, of course, but we teach and train on everything, and that's where we're going to take you also. Okay, we'll see you soon. This should be a lot of fun.